File uploading. File uploading is a major part of a concept when it comes to any kind of web development framework. For CodeIgniter also it is an important concept, and it provides a mechanism to upload your files to a particular range and save it in a folder named uploads, which is there in your application directory folder. The directory structure we had a look in the previous examples in our chapters, but uploads folder is specifically for the file upload system. And in this chapter, we are going to focus on how the file is being uploaded with the particular type and size. We can restrict a file, like if you want to upload only a PNG file, you can restrict the same and get it done. So these are the steps like which are actually followed. Like you first of all create a directory name uploads inside application folder, your directory folder, and then create your code controller as well as view. Here the scenario of a model will take place if you want to insert an image in your database. But for now we are just focusing on with the mechanism of controller and view, such that we upload a particular file and later we get the output in the screen. In that mechanism we will just check it out, like how the uploading mechanism takes place in CodeIgniter. Using this file uploading class, in CodeIgniter we have a file upload class, and with the help of this class we can upload files in this framework. A user can also restrict the type and size of the file to be uploaded. So if there is any kind of a validation, like I need a PDF file, a PNG file, or whatever type of the files, so for image I can say PNG, JPG images are allowed, other images are not allowed. So these all constraints is handled very easily with respect to CodeIgniter framework. So let's move to our code base, and inside the code base we'll have a look of how the file uploading mechanism takes place and how to maintain it properly so that we get the images in the uploads directory and we can maintain this directory for the further mechanisms or any kind of the constraints which are needed for the web development framework. Okay, so we'll have a look in our code base. So these are the major 2 points, that is file upload mechanism class is there in CodeIgniter, and we can restrict the type and size of the file to be uploaded. So the first thing in our code base is I'll move to my view section and create a upload thing. We need a form obviously to upload any kind of file or something. So that is handled with respect to HTML. And the name of the file over here will be upload form. So I'll say upload form.php. I've created a view, and here I'm going to give a typical HTML structure for uploading the file. So I'll take a doc type HTML. Now create the regular tags for HTML. After this I need a head tag and the meta tag. So meta cassette UTF-8. We need a title, so I'll take the title as CodeIgniter file upload mechanism. Okay. After giving the head tags and everything, we'll move to our body tag. Okay. So inside the body tag, I will give the form method. So form method equal to, I'll give it the action. The method is not given anything for now, but the action for my file uploading will be post. Okay, I'm done with this. After this comes the basic thing of including the form open multipart. So that is done inside the PHP code. So I'll say PHP, okay, which will have the echo. The echo will print any kind of an error if I am uploading for the system. And after this comes the basic thing of opening a form with the multi-part talent. So echo form. So this is the form declaration for opening up a form or uploading a form. So echo form underscore open underscore multi-part, and it has a path which says that once I upload a form, it should go to this particular path. So it will be do upload. So do upload will be my another set of, or I can say another set of view. Once I've done with this, next starts with input type equal to file. Okay, I've done with this part. Then comes name equal to user file. I'm done with the user file, and then comes the size equal to 20. Okay, so these are the basic things I'm giving, that my upload file type. So my HTML normal tag would be input type equal to file. After I'm done with this, then comes my break tag. So this is like the basic thing, like I'm designing a file upload form. So after the break tag, I will give one more thing, that is the submit button. Once you upload the file, it is important to give the submit button also. So submit value equal to upload. So I've done with this part. So my form is designed. My form for like uploading a form is being designed. Now inside view only, I'm going to create another file, which is a view used for success. Like once my particular file is being successfully uploaded, then how it should come. So I'll just say HTML. First time I'll give a doc type. It is a better practice to include the doc type declaration in your HTML. And inside the HTML, I'll save this file. The file will be inside application and views, and inside views I'm going to call for the name of the file would be upload underscore success, check out for spelling, .php. Okay, now I'll give this simple thing the way we did in the previous example, having a head tag. Then comes my title, and before that I need to include the meta tag. So I'll say meta char set as UTF. My title will be file. You're uploading your file, so it's like upload success page. See, this is going to be a focus of the basic example, so we'll just check that if the upload is done properly or not. Now inside body, I'll give a h2 tag which says file is being uploaded successfully. Okay, I'm done with this part. Now the next is to create a controller for the same. So for creating a controller, we need to go inside the controller. So creating controller is done usually inside controllers folder. So I'll create first of all a blank file, and I'll save this file inside application controllers. The name of the file will be obviously related to the controlling part. So I'll give a nomenclature like upload.php. Okay, so I've created a controller. It's done. The basic thing we do every time after creating a controller is to declare it inside the class. So I'll say class upload extends CI underscore controller. So I've done with this part. Now inside the class, I'm going to call for various functions for uploading the file. The first thing would be the constructor function, the magic function used in PHP, that is public function underscore construct. So this will be my constructor initialization, and inside here I'm going to call for the parent construct. So it will be parent construct Okay, and after that comes $this load helper, and the helper will have an array, so it will be array with two parameters, namely form and URL. What does this helper does? That it identifies the URL and the form, and it will help accordingly. That's why the name is given as helper. After that comes public function index. This is the default function for any controller, and inside the default function I'm going to load a view. So view will be $this load view, and the view name will be upload form. So I'll say upload form. Okay, so this is my view. So this will open the upload form. That is the form which we created now, the last thing. Before upload success, we created upload form, a typical form for uploading the file. Then we have public function do_upload. This will be used in our routes.php to redirect to the particular file. Inside do_upload, I'm going to call for a library, that is $this load library, and the library is nothing but upload. Okay, and this upload will include all the basic parameters. So where should the upload compromise? So that is initialized over here in an array. So that array will be giving it as config, and inside config I'm going to specify the upload path, and the upload path will have the specified path, that is .uploads. That is before the application directory. I'm going to create a upload folder, and inside upload folder I will have restriction also. So my allowed types would be like, it should be a PNG type of image or something. I'm going to focus on the restricted image structure. So allowed types, the type would be mentioned in this format: GIF or JPEG or PNG. So this is my restricted type. After giving the allowed types, I'm also going to give the max size thing. So it will be max_size, and the max size is nothing but 100. So it should not exceed more than 100 KB or something. So I'm going to take a small image. So this is the way I'm going to specify. So my $config will be given in this parameter as $config. After this is done, I'm going to upload the file. So I'll just check for one more condition, that if $this upload and do upload the function, if that happens with the user file, so this user file was declared inside my form which we created right now, the upload does not take place, then it should give to me an error message, or else I'll give the error message over here in simple echo format, that file was not uploaded, and inside here the else I'll give a view. So this view will load to view upload success, and inside upload success I'll call for $data. So now let's go to our browser and check like how the constructing is done. Before moving on to the browser part, we need to add a route also for our controller. So it was the upload controller, and the routing will be done inside name upload. So I have given a perfect routing. For now, we need to check out like how the upload mechanism works. So let's move to our browser. So this is my browser. My project is already being displayed. Inside this, let's redirect in for the upload directory. So I'll call for the upload. So this is my CodeIgniter upload mechanism. This was called from hooks. If we disable the hooks from the default functionality, the statement will go automatically, as we have seen in the last chapter, declaration of hooks and many more. So now I'm going to choose a particular file. So this is my file name, and I'm going to say upload. So this gives me a success message that file is uploaded successfully. If it exceeds some particular size or something, okay, so let's move over here and just try it out. But before that, I'm going to disable the hooks part. So that is inside config hooks.php. Okay, so I'm calling for a hooks folder. Or we can simply do one thing inside config. We'll just put it as false. Enable hooks as false. Okay, I'm done with this part. Now after that, I'm going to move inside the browser and check my upload file again. So again, redirecting to upload. Okay, now let's check out like uploading a file with the maximum size. Okay, so it is exceeding my capabilities. This should not upload as per our validation. So clicking on upload says file not uploaded. This was the echo message which we did. So in this way, upload mechanism takes place in CodeIgniter framework. Also, if you'll check it out in our upload directory over here. So inside upload directory, as many uploads you have done, so all these uploads are specifically mentioned. So in this way, it's quite easy for a user to understand like where we have uploaded and what is the exact number of uploads which we did.